Think needs or wants. Do you live within your needs, or do you reside in your wants? Needs is to accept you will receive. Wants is putting out prompts. Needs is only to evolve and move all you have within the now. Wants is something you need to improve, as what you acquired is not enough somehow. Needs is a perspective of gratitude and embracing yourself as alive. Wants is retrospective of what eludes, as you are racing to grab what's deprived. So think in terms of needs, not wants, and what you want will become what you need. Let the universe show you how it responds when you live in the now, not future greeds.